there mga karaket, welcome back to our channel. I'm Way. Today, we're diving into something every creative needs, an impressive online design portfolio using Canva. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or content creator, having a standout portfolio is key to showcasing your skills and attracting clients. Tara, let's get started. Bago tayo magsimula, let's talk about why having a portfolio is essential. A portfolio is your professional calling card. It's a curated collection of your best work, showing to your potential clients or employers what you're capable of. Plus, with Canva, you can create a stunning portfolio without any graphic design experience. If you haven't yet signed up for a free Canva account, just go to canva.com and follow the easy step. My free and paid option, but don't worry, the free version has everything you need for your basic portfolio. Once you are logged in, type portfolio in the search bar. You'll see a tons of templates to choose from. Select a template that fits to your style and industry. Remember, first impression counts, so choose something that truly represents you. Now, it's time to personalize your template. Start by adding your name, contact detail, and short bio. Then, upload your best work. Pwede mo i-drag and drop ang mga images from your computer directly into Canva. Make sure each project includes a title, brief description, and skills you use. Remember, quality over quantity. Choose projects that best showcase your skill. Organize them by categories like logo design, social media, graphics, or illustration para madaling makita ng mga viewers ang expertise mo. Don't forget to add a short backstory or explanation for each project. Make your portfolio interactive by adding links to your social media website or LinkedIn profile. You can also embed videos or animation to give your portfolio an extra edge. Gamitin ang mga elements, features ng Canva para maglagay ng mga icons and graphics to enhance your layout. Once you are satisfied with your portfolio, it's time to share it with the world. Click on share to generate a link or download it as a PDF. You can also publish it directly on Canva's website for easy sharing. And there you have it, your very own design portfolio. With Canva, creating a professional portfolio has never been easier. I hope this video inspires you to showcase your skills and land those dream projects. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching mga karaket, and see you on next video. I'm Way. Ciao!